Hi everyone, so today is a very special day. It is Sheree's birthday. Happy birthday, Sheree. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Um, so I decided to do a quick design for you, and I really do hope you like it. I like how it came out. I really hope you do. So these are the colours I'm going to be using today. Um, I do a gradient, but I did have to do 3 layers of it because the blue that I'm using isn't it's quite sheer, so I do the third coat off camera. And yeah, I've tried to use some of your favorite stuff in the design, so I really do hope you like it, and I do hope you're having a lovely day. I know it's very early in the morning where you are right now. So yeah, I will pop some music on and I will come back. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so here I'm going to be doing some stamping with the Shemodern, and I'm going to be using some of my neon pigments. Here when I place it on, I just sort of like slightly move it. I did have to redo this stamping because I didn't remove, because when you use a matte top coat, sometimes there's still a bit of inhibition layer left. So always remember that before you start doing it, you need to just buff that inhibition layer off. Even though it doesn't feel like it, there's still like kind of like a rubbery sort of texture where the pigment will stick into. So I need to find a buffer, maybe 220, 240 buffer, something like that, something really fine, just to scrub that inhibition layer off, because you don't want something that's going to make scratches, otherwise the pigment will stick into the scratches. So yeah, that's what I forgot the first time round, and I don't think I got it all this time, but I still went with it. So yeah, if you're going to use a nail brush like this, make sure you do it very gently. So yep, I'm just going to apply the images and then apply the pigment over the top, because the Shemodern sticky stamping polish, if you leave it for about 20-30 seconds, something like that, it obviously it dries sticky, so then you can stick, you know, your pigments, your glitters, foils, whatever onto it. So yeah, I'm just going to continue applying the pigments, and then I shall come back. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Shemodern Satin Top Coat. I love this top coat. It is amazing. If you don't know what it is, it's sort of like, it's like a glossy top coat with kind of the light isn't reflective as much in it. So yeah, it's amazing. So I'm just going to apply this, then I will cure it. And I add one tiny little bit of bling, because I thought if I added too much, it would just take away from the design. So I really hope you like it, Sheree. I tried to add kind of colours and sort of pastel and neon together over the foils. I think that really works. I really do like it. And the marble nail, I sort of like use the same colours, but also kind of use the pigment as well to sort of combine the two into the one nail. Anyway, I do hope you like it. Please head over to Sheree's channel and check her out. She does have a Shemodern giveaway, so you could win yourself a set of these stamping polishes if you are in the US. So head over and check it out. And if you're not subscribed to her, please subscribe, show her some love, and wish her a happy birthday in the comments. Happy birthday once again, darling. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'm sure I will speak to you soon. Thank you everybody so much for watching today. Please give this video a like, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.